Loves, is me, Mommy Mika. I'm back here with another wig tutorial. So today we're going to get into this Outre melted hairline. Now look at the construction. It does come with the elastic band, so it's a secure fit. You could do a glueless method. And look at the curls. This color is gorgeous, okay? So I'm just using my foundation powder to tint the lace, and I'm just going to apply the wig. I did not do barely anything. I just cut the lace. I did pluck a little bit just to define, but this unit was very easy to install, very quick. It is big head friendly, so if you big head like me, this will fit perfectly. It fit snug. It felt really comfortable on the head. So I'm going to use my Eben Wonderlay spray, and I'm just going to spray the root down, and then I'm going to use my elastic band to secure it and hold it in place and make sure it's very melted. Even though you necessarily did not have to do that step at all, you could just glue it down. It was quick and easy to install. So this color is DRFF Amber Sunset. This color is gorgeous. It comes in different colors, but I really love this honey blonde look. So right here I am flat iron the top. It had a little hump to it, and I'm gonna go back later and flat iron it a little bit more to get it super flat to the head. Okay, so now I'm cutting the lace. I'm using my shears and I'm going in zigzag motions. You guys already know that's how you create the most natural hairline. So I'm just slowly cutting and going in zigzag motions all across. So now I'm going in with my bed head spray and just getting those areas that did not fully stick. And then I'm going to go in with my wax stick, my carrot care wax stick, and flat iron a little bit more. Now I don't know if you guys see that little piece. I guess with the unit it wasn't really wefted in that one section. But later on I'm going to go in and cut that little weft off because it was just sticking out in that area. But anywho, you see, like I'm pointing to it right now. So yeah, I just used my powder just to define the middle part. And now we're gonna go in with the baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not the baby hair expert. I'm still learning. But I'm gonna use my Gorilla Snot glue or Gorilla Gel glue, whatever you wanna call it. And I'm just gonna go in and just lay the baby hairs down. See, now this is the only part where I tweezed, and I didn't even tweeze that much, to be honest with you. The wig was very easy. Like it said, melted hairline. Like it was very simple. On the box it did say that it comes with baby hairs. I didn't technically see any baby hairs. Like, I don't know, but anywho, that's just what it said. But here I'm creating the baby hairs. Alright, so now that the baby hairs is done, I am combing out the unit. The only thing with this unit, it tangles at the ends. Like, the hair is gorgeous. This is not an everyday wig. You wear this on an occasion, maybe for a couple hours, and you take it off because it's a longer unit, it does tangle a bit, and it mainly tangles at the ends, as you guys see right now. Like, I'm really trying to comb out the ends. And I have a fan in front of me if you guys trying to figure out what's blowing. It was hot. But this unit is really pretty. The color, like, the color is everything. I really love the color with the little peekaboo blonde at the bottom. But yes, it's giving, like, yes, you see me feeling it. I couldn't stop touching it. It was gorgeous. And here's the side profile. And here's the back. Now, this unit is not an everyday wig. Once again, this is just to like go out, look cute for a couple hours, and that's it. Look at this. See, I'm showing you the ends again. That's what keeps tangling. That's the only issue I have with this unit. Now here I was trying to do the little two twists to see. The hairline was really giving, like it was giving transparent lace. It was giving, like, for a synthetic unit. Yeah, I was really feeling it. So I'm trying to do the little twist, and then you see me on the other side do it. It was cute for a second, but I really liked it out, to be honest with you. And I took it down because it was cute. You could wear this like that every day, but yeah, I like it down. But yeah, look at the part. The part was very deep. The waves was giving. Yeah. So if you guys love this unit, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching.